Freaky Friday.
Woo! I'm Professor Dinky Pinklepuff.
And I'm Miss Weekly.
And we're going to do a fun experiment today, okay?
What experiment are we going to do today?
We are going to do a self-inflating balloon. What? Yeah. So this is going to be a quick experiment, and we're going to have to talk about a reaction because we're going to be mixing two things together. And what's going to happen, it's going to make a reaction, and it's going to cause our balloon to inflate. So a reaction is when two substances get mixed together. And when they mix together, they create something new. So in air substance creates a gas, which is what inflates our balloon. So we're going to get ready with our experiment. Make sure you have someone to help you today because it can get a little messy. All right. So first, you will need a bottle. Any bottle will work. You can use a 2-liter or you can use a little water bottle. Make sure it's empty. Next, you will need some vinegar. And you don't need a lot of vinegar. You can fill it up. Here's the bottom. You can fill it up to about here, okay? So will you help me fill in the vinegar? And if you need to use a funnel for it, you can. Do you want to use a funnel?
I think I got it.
Okay. All right. I will hold the bottle while you pour.
Good.
Yep, that looks good. All right. So here's our vinegar. If you notice, vinegar is clear. It looks like water, but it does not smell like water. All right. Next, you will need a balloon. We have a black balloon. What we're going to do, we're going to pour some baking soda into our balloon, and this is where you can use a funnel. If you use the funnel for the vinegar, make sure you clean it out and you dry it real good, because if not, the baking soda will clump together. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your balloon and you're going to put it on the funnel. Okay. And you're also going to need someone to help you. You don't need a lot of baking soda. About 2 spoonfuls would be a good amount. So we're going to measure it and we're going to put it in the funnel. And if your funnel gets clogged up, you can use a toothpick. You can use the end of the spoon. There we go. You can use just about anything to make sure it gets into the balloon, okay? Make sure you're holding the balloon too. All right.
Keep going.
We might need to fix it. All right, there we go. Okay, so friends, this is where the reaction is going to occur. I'm going to lower this down so we can see it. Okay, so here's our vinegar. Okay, what's going to happen whenever we mix these substances together? It's going to create the reaction. Yeah, and a reaction that it's going to create is going to be the gas that's going to make our balloon blow up by itself. Isn't that cool? Awesome. All right, so I'm going to put the funnel to the side. And all my baking soda is still in the balloon, okay? Very carefully put the balloon over the bottle. Okay. All right, are you all ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to mix them together by shaking the balloon. Ooh, look at those bubbles. Look at this. How cool is that? Our balloon is inflating by itself because of this reaction. Did you see the bubbles too? That's also from the reaction. So this is just self-inflating balloon experiment. This is quick and this is fun to do. If you want, I've seen that you can also put food coloring in there too. So you can make it different colors. Isn't that cool, friends? Awesome. All right, and you can do however many of these you want. If you mix vinegar and baking soda together, they will make a reaction. And if you also have gloves, you can feel the side of this, and it's super cold. Now, we used room temperature vinegar, and we used room temperature baking soda. So whenever the reaction occurred, the temperature changed, it created this gas, and we also saw the bubbles from the reaction. That's awesome. And I'm sure if you used it with like a 2-liter, the reaction might be bigger, and it might make the balloon bigger. I don't know. That's something you all can find out. Okay? If you all do this, make sure, like I said, you have an adult with you to help you. These together will not hurt you, but if you do some other reaction, make sure to wear gloves and make sure to wear eyewear too, like goggles or something to just protect you, just in case it got in your face, but we don't want that to happen. Okay, friends? All right. We hope you all have a great day, and we hope you have a great Freaky Experiment Friday.